So basically, Sarat, today we are getting a new topics. From today, we need to start the which one
Routing.
routing topic. Yeah. So basically, before starting routing, if someone asking some question, why we use routing? Yes or no?
Yes.
And second question, if someone asking how many types routing. Next question is how to configure, or you can say use routing. Clear? And next question is which scenario use which one thing
Routing.
routing. Any idea for this four question? Hello.
Yeah, routing basically that we are using to make the communication in between two networks
Nahin.
or that more than two networks. So how many types routing we can say that the static and dynamic. So that statically we can configure and also we can take the support from some dynamic routing protocols.
नहीं मेरे पास नहीं आएगा.
Hello.
कोई नहीं मैं देखता हूँ भेजो आप. हाँ भेज दो कोई नहीं. Yes Sarat.
Yeah. So the first question.
Yeah. First question is why we use routing. Second is how many types routing. Third is how to configure and use routing and which scenario. So basically, if I am asking some question, for example, this one is task one. Clear? And in task one, if you are getting a router and router connected with this side switch connected some of LAN users. Clear? And router again connected with switch, connected with server, connected with application server. This one is 0 by 0, this one is 0 by 1. Okay, this side we are using 192.168.1.0/24, 192.168.2.0/24. You have any idea in this concept? We need to perform routing.
No need to perform the routing because it is directly connected.
Yeah, it's a directly connected design.
Yeah.
If I'm asking task 2, in task 2, R1 connected with
R2.
R1 connected with switch connected with some of LAN user, and R2 connected with switch, only connected with server. So in this case, we need to define network. So this side 192.168.1.0/24, 192.168.2.0/24, 12.0.0.0/30. Now, so in this case, if I'm asking from this user to this server, communication is possible?
No, without routing it is not possible.
Because this one is
indirectly
connected.
Yeah.
Now task 3. So in this case,
we need to use that routing protocol.
And this one called directly, indirectly, and which one?
Indirectly.
It's again indirectly.
Yeah.
Very good. But it's called P2M. Which one?
P2M.
P2M means point to
Multi-point.
multi-point. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this one is calling
P2P.
point to
Point.
point. Clear?
Hmm.
This thing is clear. Any doubt? Now,
No.
now next thing. So basically we discussed short theory about the router first.
Hmm.
First point we need to learn for router. Which one device?
Layer 3.
It's a layer 3 device. One more thing. Work on which one layer?
Network layer.
Okay. Data, forward, receive on the
On the
basis
base
of
routing table.
IP information.
Okay.
Clear?
Hmm.
Router maintain which one table?
Routing table.
Routing table. One more thing. Router maintain
Up
which
table.
one? Up table. Router always perform which one concept?
Proxy ARP.
Proxy app concept. Clear? One more thing. A router called which one device?
Full duplex device.
Full duplex device. One more thing. Router have GUI or
CLI interface.
CLI option to manage, but depends on vendor. Clear?
Yeah.
One more thing. Router number of ports. How many? 2, 4, 6, or
6,
8.
8.
One more thing. Router every port which one member?
Different group number.
Different group member. One more theory. Router. Router types available. How many types router we are getting?
Fixed and modular, right?
Fixed series and
Modular.
modular series. Clear? One more thing.
Yes.
Router interfaces available. How many types interface we are getting?
You
Ingress or egress?
ingress.
Yeah, ingress or
Egress.
egress. If someone asks you, sir, what is the difference, ingress or egress? Ingress means for incoming data. Clear?
Hmm. Hmm.
Egress means for
Outgoing data.
if you configure the policy on router with the help of firewall, so must be define the ingress or egress. Clear?
Yeah.
Now one more. So if someone asking basic questions, sir, routing table or ARP table concept. So basically first we need to draw a diagram. Clear? And before clear the routing table or ARP table, must be clear what is the meaning of which one thing?
So,
Fixed series. Why we use fixed series?
yeah. One question actually, that what is the meaning of this one, that the proxy ARP?
We discuss step by step.
Okay. Okay.
Fixed router means this series router
It has 3 different ports, right?
don't have
Hmm.
any
Option for scalability.
extra slot
Hmm.
to increase interfaces, or you can say ports. Clear?
Yeah.
For example, if you purchase a router and this router only two interface, 0 by 0 and 0 by 1. One interface connected with ISP, one interface connected with LAN side. And now network admin say I need to connect one more ISP. So any possibility available if you purchase a fixed series router?
No.
No. It's a waste of money. Clear?
Yeah.
That is the reason. If you're deploying, if you're creating, if you're designing the network, must be used which one series router?
Modular series.
Clear? If someone asking what is the meaning of modular series router, this series router have extra slot to increase
interfaces.
Yeah. Interfaces means
ports.
Yeah. Now, one more thing. It's a very important point. Mostly they are getting a confusion in this important point. Why? On Cisco router, first available port number, or you can say interface number. Any idea which one, Sarath?
0/ right?
0/0. 0/0 means
yes.
This first 0.
There is a series, and second is the port number.
Yeah. Okay. In a single series, only how many ports available?
4 ports.
So I think 0 by 0 is first, 0 by 1,
0 by 3.
So this series will be complete. Then we are getting 1/0, 1/1, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. No, we are getting only 4 ports. Only 4 ports.
Hello.
Yes. Can you hear me now? Hello. Sarath, can you hear me?
Yeah, there is a network issue, I think. Actually.
Hello, Sarath, can you hear me now?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm audible. Can you hear me, Sarath? Sarath, this one issue is not my side. I'm getting a connectivity. Hello, can you hear me now? Hello, Sarath, can you hear me?
Actually.
Yeah. No. Okay. Now screen is visible. Verify.
Yeah, it is visible.
So how many port series we discuss? Only 2 series.
Yes.
One is starting from 0. Another one is starting from 1. Sometimes we are getting this kind of port number. Verify. 2/3/4. So what is the meaning of this one? So 2 means it's my series. 3 means which one?
4.
No. Basically, again clear. Now verify. 2 means it's my
series number.
No, it's a slot
number. Okay.
Yeah, this one is series, and
then
this one is
port number.
Yeah. Now one more thing. If you want to install OAS inside the router, so this interface will help. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, one more thing. Now, next thing we need to discuss about the router. So this one is my router connected with this side and this side. Clear? This side we are getting user. This side we are getting user. So this one is my first port number is 0 by 0 and 0 by 1. Now, this side I am using 192.168.1.0/24. Clear? Now, so this user IP is 192.168.1.2. MAC address is A. Clear?
Hmm.
And this user IP I am using 168.2.2 and this one is B.
B.
Okay, now. So my question is from this user to this user communication is possible?
Possible.
Possible, okay. If this user trying to communicate, so open the CMD, write down the ping command.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Hmm.
Okay, give me 1 second to copy this diagram because we need to discuss about this diagram. Now, so basically if this user want to communicate, so open the CMD and write down which command, ping 192.168.2.2. This user will generate which one traffic?
I see that.
Data, and inside data say I am using ICMP. Inside ICMP I am sending layer 2, layer 3 information. On
Yeah.
layer 2 source MAC is known, but destination MAC is known.
No, unknown.
Unknown. Source IP is known, destination IP also known, but destination MAC is available? No.
No.
So basically whenever this user generate traffic, so this user verify first thing, check
ARP table.
ARP table. Clear?
Hmm.
If entry found,
Then forward.
then try to communicate. Only try to communicate.
Okay.
I'm not saying communication is possible.
Hmm.
Try to communication.
Hmm.
One more thing, if entry not found, then follow which one process?
Hmm. ARP process.
To resolve the IP to MAC. Yes or no? But right now 1.2 and 2.2 both are same network or different network?
Different network.
Always remember before the check ARP table one more thing. If user try to communicate in different network, so gateway, IP and MAC must require which one information, dear?
IP and MAC.
Gateway IP and gateway
MAC.
MAC. So if you don't have, if someone says, sir, what is the meaning of gateway? Sarath, any idea why we call gateway?
Yeah, that is a exit interface, we can say that.
It's called last exit
Interface.
interface from network. Clear?
Hmm.
And we can assign this interface as some IP and some MAC. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So can you please verify whenever this user trying to communicate with this user, so forward the data on router side. So router say which one is your gateway? 0 by 0 or 0 by 1?
0 by 0 is a gateway.
0 by 0 act as a
Gateway.
and 0 by 1 act as a for this user. Which one person? Gateway. Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yes.
Now, one more thing. If someone asking gateway IP is which one always in real time, any idea? Which one is gateway IP real time? Gateway IP must be last IP, or you can assign which one IP? First IP, because this one is identical. This one is identical.
Identical.
So from this network, which one is first IP?
Hmm.
192.168.1.1.
1.
And MAC address is, for example, C. From this network, which one is first IP?
192. Yes.
Yes, tell me which one IP is first. 2.1.
1.
Clear na?
That's a gateway.
So this design is clear. Now same design we need to create. So now first we need to define the gateway. 192.168.1.1 MAC address is C. 192.168.2.1 MAC address is D. Now, so Sarat, if I'm saying now this user know which one is my gateway IP,
Yeah, that is
What
1.1.
but gateway MAC is known? No.
No,
This user say my gateway IP is 2.1, but gateway MAC is we know? No.
no.
So this user, if don't have gateway MAC, so forward the which one message?
ARP
R,
message.
and router will forward the which one message? R, reply, and this one is request. So this user will get the gateway MAC is C.
C.
Same thing, this user will forward the ARP request, and this router will forward the which one message?
ARP reply, and it will get the same D as a MAC address.
Oh, very good, very good. Now next thing also we required not to discuss. Now next thing is which one, Sarat, we need to discuss. So I know the gateway IP, I know the gateway MAC now. This one is which one? 1.1 C MAC. 2.1 which one MAC?
DMAC. DMAC.
DMAC. Okay. Users also know which one is my gateway. 1.1. Which one is my gateway MAC? C.
C.
This one also know gateway IP is 2.1. Gateway MAC is
D.
D. Now, how communication will be done, we need to discuss. But first topic we need to discuss, Sarat, which one? Router maintain which one tables, dear?
Routing table it will maintain. ARP table.
Routing table plus
ARP table.
Okay, now first thing we need to discuss about the ARP table. Sarat, any idea inside the ARP table how many information is stored?
Yeah, router IP plus MAC.
Inside ARP table we are getting IP,
MAC
MAC,
address. Then
time,
learn
here
method.
interface number. Only router case we are getting interface number.
Yeah.
If you are having a PC, laptop, printer, server, any other thing, we are not getting interface. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, so basically always remember two key points for router. Which one? One second. By default, a router maintain ARP entry for on interfaces. Read the line, dear.
Yeah, by default router maintain ARP and default on interfaces.
So router, how many on interfaces?
2 here.
1.1 and 2.1. So IP 192.168.1.1 MAC address is C. One more 192.168.2.1 MAC address is D. One more point for on interfaces. For
On interfaces.
on interfaces. ARP timeout timer is infinite. Infinite means entry will be deleted automatically. No.
No.
So how to represent infinite? With the symbol of which one? Hyphen.
Okay.
You can say minus also. Clear? Now, one more thing. So whenever 1.2 user trying to communicate with gateway, so forward the ARP message, ARP request.
Yeah.
So that means router receive on this interface this user information also, and router will store inside the ARP table which one? 192.168.1.2. A user is coming and timer is running. This user also forward the which one message? ARP request. With this IP, this MAC, so this one also stored inside the app table. 2.2 MAC address is which one? B. And time is running. So which one entry after 4 hours deleted?
That second entry is
1.2 and 2.2 indirectly connected.
yeah.
Yes or no? Which one you can say? Indirectly connected. Yeah. So app table is clear?
Yes.
Okay, now we need to discuss next. Which one table?
Routing table.
Okay, give me 1 second. So, Sarath, any idea about the routing table? How many information?
Routing table that
basically in routing table, first information is we are getting a root code. Which one?
Root code.
Root code. Then we are getting a which one information? Network, or you can say IP.
Okay.
Then we are getting a which one information? Prefix. Prefix means you can say
subnet map.
But this prefix available in only slash value.
Slash value.
Then we are getting which one information?
Interface.
Interface. Then we are getting which one information?
Timers.
Any doubt? Okay, now one more thing for routing. By default, router enable which one process?
Routing process.
Routing process. That means a router install network information inside which one table?
Routing table.
Routing table. Clear? One more thing. A router by default install directly connected network information inside which one table?
Routing table.
Routing table. Clear? One more thing. If network engineer want to install indirectly network information install in routing table, then must be used which one concept, dear?
Routing protocol. So
routing concept, not a protocol. We are also using a static routing.
Yeah, static routing.
So routing concept. Now, can you please verify in this case how many networks directly connected?
2 network.
First group, this one with this interface. Second is this one connected is this one side. So router will say for directly connected root code is C. Which one?
C. Indirect.
Yeah, direct 192.168.1.0. Subnet mask is /24, which interface is 0/0. Okay. Right now, router new iOS also install one more information. From this network, router having any interface. From this network, router having any interface to assign IP. Yes. So router say I have one more interface, same interface with IP is 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask is /32 because this one is single IP na from this network. The router also install on interface with same network, same IP. Yes or no?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
directly connected network is C, and directly connected this network interface IP information we are getting from L.
Yeah.
L
Okay.
means local interface, and C means directly connected.
Directly connected.
So we are getting one more network, 192.168.2.0/24.0/1, and one more. Which one?
192.168.2.1 L. But
Slash
mask
32 means
yeah.
/32 means it's a single IP, 4 octet full.
Okay.
Clear? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Now next thing. If routing table is clear, if ARP table is clear, now we need to learn the packet flow. Which one topic?
Packet flow.
Clear? Give me 5 to 10 minutes, then I will come back and we start. Okay?
Yeah, sure. No problem.
5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Sarat, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay. So basically now we need to discuss about the packet flow. Or this one is your diagram, last time diagram, verify. This one is your last time diagram, clear? So in this case, a router will maintain which one table, dear, already? Routing plus ARP table.
Routing, ARP table.
Yes or no? So where is
Yes.
my ARP table routing? ARP table is this one. We need to capture. Give me 1 second. This one. Clear? Copy this one. Go to next slide. Based on this side. Okay. Routing table now we need to capture. Because we need to learn which one thing. Packet flow. Yes or no? Hello? Hello, Sarath, can you hear me? Hello, Sarath, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah. Now, can you hear me now?
Actually, can you hear me?
Yes. Audible.
Yeah.
Okay. So now PC1 say I want to communicate with which one user? PC2. So PC1 generate data. In data, PC1 verify I want to communicate from 1.2 to 2.2. So both are same network or different?
Different network.
Different network. So whenever this user PC1 generate data, so add first which one information?
L2.
Source MAC and destination.
Destination MAC.
And now add layer 3, source IP and
Destination IP.
destination. So this PC1 says source MAC is A. Source IP is 192.168.1.1. Destination is 192.168.1.2. But I want to communicate with which one user?
2.2. 192.168.
2.2. Different user, different network. So now this user will say on layer 2 destination MAC is my which one MAC? Gateway MAC. And this data traffic forward on which one side?
Router side.
Router will receive and check first lookup. First lookup into which one table? Routing table. And router verify destination IP is which one?
1.2.
1.2. Now inside routing table, 1.0 network is available.
Yes.
192.168. Okay. Not a 1.0. We need to write down 2.0.
2.0. Yeah. That's
2.2. So 2.0 network is available?
Yes.
Yeah. Available. It's a directly connected. And if you want to reach via which one interface?
0/1.
0/1 also getting one more IP. Which one IP?
Local interface IP.
2.1 IP. Yes or no?
Yes.
And this interface IP MAC is available inside. Second table is which one? ARP table. 2.1 IP is available with MAC addresses. Which one?
D.
Now router say if I want to forward this data via this one interface. So router will say data. And I am sending layer 2 information, source MAC and destination MAC. Layer 3.
Source IP and destination.
Now, whenever router forward the data traffic from other interface, so source MAC is 2.1
interface, yeah.
D and destination MAC for 2.2 entry is available.
Yeah, B is available.
192.168.1.1, 192.168 2.2. Now this user will receive B is available, IP is available, accepted. But whenever user forward the data, source MAC is A And whenever router forward the data, source MAC is
D.
D. So whenever traffic go to other network from router, so router will do every time which one concept?
Proxy R.
Proxy ARP means on layer 2 router change the source MAC address.
Okay.
Clear? Now,
Hmm.
so whenever this user trying to send back which one message now? Reply message. So this user will say, I'm generating data. And inside data, I will put layer 2. Source MAC.
Destination MAC.
Now, so which one is source MAC? B.
Source MAC is B. Yeah, destination
Source
MAC is
IP
D.
is 2.2 and destination is 1.2. Yes or no?
Yes.
And destination MAC is again which one MAC?
D. Interface.
Gateway MAC. Now, whenever router receive, then again look up into routing table first.
It will forward
One dot
to
is available with 1.1 IP. Inside ARP table, 1.1 is available with CMAC.
C.
Whenever router forward via this interface, router will say, I am sending data. Inside data, I am putting layer 2, source MAC and
Destination MAC.
And layer 3.
Source IP and destination.
Now, source MAC is C, destination MAC for 1.2.
It is A.
A. Source IP is 2.2. 1.2. 1.2.
1.2, sir.
Clear? And this user will receive. So router again will do which one task?
Proxy ARP.
So by default, proxy ARP is enabled on router every interface. If you want to verify, so command is show IP interface your number. Clear? Then proxy ARP is available. Clear? Any doubt for packet flow?
No.
Now next thing. So basically, routing we are getting. Routing we can perform two types. Which one?
Source based.
Source based and
destination based.
Okay, what is the difference in between source based or destination based? Source based means device check on layer 3. Which one information?
Source.
Source information. Destination means?
The layer 3 it will check for the
device check on layer 3.
Destination.
So in this case, router check source information or destination?
Destination.
Destination. Clear?
Yes.
So always clear. 1 point. Source based routing we can perform with the help of policy. And destination based routing we can perform via static routing.
Or dynamic.
Default routing via
dynamic routing.
Dynamic. Any doubt? No.
No.
So first we start which one routing?
Destination based.
Destination based. But routing we can perform via
IPv4 v6.
Yeah. We learn first IPv4, then we discuss IPv6.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No. Okay.
Before learning routing must be clear. We are getting ED values. ED value means
administrative distance.
Why we are
this is
administrative distance. And this value, how many bits?
8
bit. If I am putting a formula 2 power 8, so AD value we are getting 256, but this AD value will go to 0 to
255.
255. And valid AD value starting from 1 to
254.
254. One more thing. If root with AD 255, then never install inside which one table?
Routing table.
Routing table. Clear?
Hmm.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Next concept. In routing, we are also getting one more option. Which one?
Metric.
Metric option. Metric means how to get
Best path.
best path. Static and default. Don't have any mechanism to get automatically
Private. Metric
which one
validity.
path?
Best path.
Best path. So that is the reason we can set metric is which one?
0.
Zero. But one more thing. In interview, if someone asking metric, how many values we can get? Only which one bits metric we can install?
16-bit.
16-bit values. That means you can say 65536. Those value you can install inside the which one table? Routing
Table.
Clear? And this value will go to from which one? 0 to 6553. Clear? Now one more. The routing protocols. Metric is different. Clear?
Yeah.
Now next thing. Third concept. We are getting which one option? Timers. We are getting two types timer. One is
keep alive.
And second is you can say wait timer. Which one timer?
Wait timer.
Wait time. Now, keep alive means
it will
verify
the peer is up or not. The
verify neighbor device
status
up or down. And one more thing. Check parameters to form
neighborship.
Wait timer means if neighbor goes down, so how many
second need to hold? Yeah.
How many second wait?
Need to hold.
Clear?
Need to wait. Yeah.
Any doubt? Now next thing. Next concept is which one? Loop prevention.
Loop prevention.
So we are getting a two types of loop. Which one loop?
Control plane. Control plane and data plane.
Okay, if someone asking, sir, what is the meaning of control plane? So control plane means
there we are managing it.
Updates exchange only. Clear? Updates, network information. Data plane means forward
traffic.
or you can say whenever receive
Got traffic.
traffic. So for loop prevention, we are using some
Mechanisms.
mechanism. Clear?
Hmm.
We discuss, no worry. Now next thing.
You mean this
Next
one,
thing.
that router positioning, these kind of things, right?
No, mechanism. You can say for RIP,
Yeah.
we are using poison reverse. In EIGRP, we are using dual algorithm. In OSPF, we are
Okay.
using SPS.
Okay.
Now one more thing. One more thing is which one? Authentication. We are getting first MD5.
MD5.
Then we are getting
sharp 25. It's
how many types? MD5, SHA-256, and HMAX. Clear? So this one is your theory for before discuss static or default. Go through this concept and we meet again tomorrow and complete tomorrow static plus default routing.
Okay.
Clear? Tomorrow we discuss complete static routing, complete default routing.
Okay.
And from next week we discuss EIGRP.
Okay.
Then routing will discuss very fast. No issue. Okay.
Actually, please upload the video as well. Okay, so then I can
Yes,
go through
yes. I will upload. No worry.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Bye,
man.
bye,
Thank
Sarat.
you. Thank you very much. Take care.